Testing some printed drone frame strength with just 3.5 inches, and let's see how much weight it can take. This is 10 kilograms, and I'm going to add 1.25 kilograms one by one, and let's see when it fails. Okay, 11.25. So this is 12 point, almost. Okay, let's add another one. Let's add yet another one. So this is 16 kilograms. Let's add 2.5 kilogram plate. Okay, let's add 2.5 again, and let's see. Okay. Yeah, it still sits, I think. Okay. Okay, I have to. Okay. Yeah, it's still so nothing. It can take 20 how much? 21 kilogram without problem. Okay, let me get another 10 kilogram. Okay, so this is 10 kilogram. This is 20 kilogram. Okay, and let's start it again. So 22, 25. Okay, 27. Okay, 30. Okay. Yeah, I don't have many more. Actually, I have, but I wasn't expecting it would take that. Okay, I will test it again in the future, but for the 40 kilogram and more, and let's see how it handles.